Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the new Pro transition effect, that's drop down transition in CapCut for PC. So for example, I'm just going to add images to the right that I want to edit, and I'm going to edit transition. So you can find drop down on trending. This is Pro effect, and this is the new effect. The new transition effect just added right. Sorry, can add body duration. Apply to all the clip. Go right. But this is Pro effect. You have to join Pro before to be able to use this effect. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.